Hello, hello. How are we doing today? Today is an exciting day. Hi. The kids are here. I just got back from London. Here you go. So this is our new addition into our family. So this is Paris, and then Sophia is on here. She's gonna be around. Anyways, I have an exciting news. I got a bag. So we got a bag from London Heathrow airport. So if you're interested on that, it is on this World Duty Free bag because she kind of like mask it. So if you're interested on that, check this video out and then go subscribe and comment below what do you think we got. I was surprised too, as you would be. So go check this out. So anyways, this is the bag. I took a blanket from American Airlines so that I can cushion the bag. I also have a used shirt and then my snack on the side just to really make sure that it is cushioned. So anyway, no further ado, we have, ta-da! This beautiful box. So how do you like that, huh? I really didn't imagine that we're gonna be able to be in this position, that we're going to be having a bag, Hermes bag, unboxing. Unfortunately, Seb is not here today to unbox this one with us because he's still in Paris. So from London, we split. He went to Paris for a week and then I went back to United States. But this one, so I went to Heathrow, London Heathrow International Airport, and then I went there and then I saw an Hermes next to Chanel, and then I'm kind of like, okay, let's see if they do. I'm kind of like only thinking of the Constance wallet. That's what I'm kind of like thinking for. And then I was like, and then I found, and then I asked the lady right off the bat, I would assume that you don't have any bags here because, you know, any other international airport that we went to, they don't have a bag or anything like that. Like when we went to CDG in Charles de Gaulle in Paris, and then she only has the wallets. So I was like, okay, so I'm kind of like assuming that they don't have that one in there too. But anyways, it's here. So she packaged it nicely. She didn't give me the what's that one called? The shopping bag. She managed to give me all this cute stuff right here, like the box and then the ribbon. So no further ado, let's do this already. So there you go, there's the box. And then ta-da-da-da! So it was so nice. So I want you to so there you go. That's what we have. And then I think she put in the dust bags too anyways. So there's the dust bag of it. There you go, as you can see. And then it is this gorgeous piece of a bag. Who would imagine that they're going to have a bag at the airport, right? Because it's we already know that from all of you guys that they don't have a bag and stuff like that. But look at this gorgeous. This one is a really amazing color. I don't know if we're going to really keep this bag or we're going to let it go. The only thing, hold on, I know you're excited as me. The only thing with the bags from the airport, it doesn't count towards your purchase history or your, because she didn't even ask me my account or anything like that. She didn't ask me anything about it. And then I asked her about that one, and then she told me, oh, we do have different system here at the airport. You can ask. This is probably situational or something, but see for yourself. And then and then she told me that you can ask your sales associate in America if they can just add that one into your purchase history. But then she also warned me that that's gonna be somewhat a red flag, because technically I didn't really buy it from her. So yeah, so that's the only thing too. But anyways, no further ado, what color do you think it is one? So this one, the hint that you're gonna have it, this is going to be a summer color, a new summer color. And then 1, 2, 3, tan, 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 it's the Picotin Lock 18. And then this one is in the color of the sun. Hold on, let me take a picture of this gorgeous piece. This one is Picotin in Tourbillon Clemens leather. So, and then it does have the lock and then the key. So I think you put it on here like that, and then you put this on here. But yeah, so this is, oh, sorry about that. So this one is the gorgeous Picotin Lock 18. I don't know more about the Picotin. And then it does have 4 feet, as you can see. And then it's a really nice color. And then on the bottom it says they're made in France. Made in France, Hermes Paris. I'm gonna show you that. So that is the name. And then it is just a bucket bag type of thing right there. And then that's how it looks like. It doesn't even give justice. The color of this one, there you go. That's the best way to show this, is that. So that's how it is. So what do you think of this lucky break that we have had? So yeah, because I don't know what is Picotin Lock 18. I know a friend of mine, she does have Picotin 25. And then what does that entail? Probably you can tell me on the comment section below, and then you can tell me about it. So that's this one. And then yeah, so that is the unboxing, the Hermes unboxing that we have for you today. I hope that you'll really love this unboxing that we have. Me and Sebastian are debating if we're going to keep this one or let it go. What do you think should I do with this one? Comment below so that we know what are the things that you're thinking of. And then yeah, so I hope you like this video. It's just going to be a quick one, but it is there's an opportunity. The moral of the story today is that there's 2 bags that they're offering me. This one, which is 2,490 pounds. So now you convert that one times 1 point something, I think 1.30 or something like that. So it came about like 3,000. How much is it? So it's about 3,230 or something like that. And then they have a bullied bag in size 25. That one is 5,400 pounds. So that's a little bit expensive. This is the only thing I can afford at that point in time. So that's why hence we have this one today. And then yeah, so they do have 2 bags at that particular time. I went to Bond Street, the Hermes in there. They were telling us that their typically they cater for, this is what the sales associate said, that they cater for the local in there, but we anyway, we already put our wish for the wish list, and then she jotted it down, and then that one is good for a year. If she reached out to you in a year, she said that you have to pick up the bag within the 5 days. And then within that 5 days, if you don't pick up the bag, and then you lose that spot already. With the Hermes Harrods, I'm not an expert person on this one, but that's what the sales associate told me as of July 2024. She told me that at Harrods, you have to go there. There's no appointment system. You have to come there early in the morning on a Monday when they have the shipment or whatever, whenever it is. And then if there's any available bag, you're going to go to a queue. And then from that, and then if you're gonna get lucky, and then you're gonna be able to look at the bags that they have for that particular day or for that particular week. So that's what she told me. But we didn't have any more time because we only have like 4 days in London. And then Saturday, Sunday they're closed, I believe. And then for Monday, we went to Bicester Village already, so we were not able to go. I would have experienced it already. And then I think there's two more Hermes store there, but we haven't had the chance to visit. But those are the Hermes 411 for you coming from London, fresh from London as of July 2024. And then so it's a possibility for you to have a bag from the airport. This one is in Terminal 3, London Heathrow, Terminal 3. And then so this is the color of that. There you go. So it's Picotin, Lock 18, Toblerone, Clemens, Sun, B4. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope we learned something from today's video, whether it is the bag, information about the stores and stuff like that. And there's still a possibility, probably not a possibility, to get a Birkin or a Kelly at the airport, but any bags will do. Probably you're able to. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb. Stay tuned for our London escapades. It is going to be a very nice one. And then Bicester Village outlet mall that we went to, that one is good deal that we got. Stay tuned on the unboxing on that one. And then so thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo. I will see you again in the next video. We love you all. And then this is gonna be an exciting one that we have. We have our first Hermes bag from the store. And we'll see you again. Bye.